Attention, if you've taken turmeric, watch this. Shocking impact of turmeric water at night. You thought turmeric was always safe, right? Think again. Drinking turmeric water at night can either heal you or cause serious trouble if you miss one critical step, and almost no one talks about it. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly what to do. Everywhere you look today, someone is talking about turmeric. Capsules, powders, golden milk, turmeric water. It's called the golden healer for a reason. But what nobody warns you about is that turmeric isn't magic all by itself. There's a very real reason why some people feel amazing after drinking turmeric water at night, while others end up making silent mistakes that hurt their health without realizing it. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on the shocking impact of drinking turmeric water at night, the good, the bad, and the fix. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried something healthy? A new diet, a superfood, a vitamin, and instead of feeling better, you actually felt worse? Maybe you drank turmeric water one night and woke up feeling bloated. Maybe your joints still ached, or you had heartburn, or your sleep got restless instead of peaceful. Yes, you're not crazy. And it's not that turmeric is bad for you. It's that there are critical mistakes almost everyone makes when it comes to using turmeric, especially at night, and these mistakes can quietly sabotage the very healing you're hoping for. The worst part? You won't even realize it's happening until your body starts giving you small, almost invisible warning signs. Tiny signs like feeling a little bit more thirsty at night, waking up slightly more tired, even after 7-8 hours, a weird heaviness in your lower stomach, unexpected headaches when you least expect them. These are not coincidences. Your body is trying to whisper something to you before it screams. And tonight, I'm going to show you why turmeric water at night is a powerful tool, but only if you use it correctly. Otherwise, you could be setting yourself up for problems down the road. Let's start from the beginning. What actually happens inside your body when you drink turmeric water at night? 1. Your liver starts working overtime. Turmeric contains something called curcumin, the bright yellow compound that makes turmeric, well, curcumin has powerful effects. It fights inflammation, repairs damaged cells, even helps detoxify your body. But here sips the catch. When you drink turmeric water, especially at night, your liver is the first organ that jumps into action. Think of your liver like a busy factory that's winding down for the night shift. Now suddenly it's being asked to process a huge shipment of turmeric compounds. If your liver is strong and healthy, no problem. But if your liver is already a little sluggish, maybe from age, a few extra pounds, medications, or just everyday life, then this sudden late-night job can stress it out. What can happen? You might feel groggy the next morning. You might even feel a little nauseous when you wake up. You might notice your mouth tastes bitter or metallic. Small clues, but they mean your liver wasn't quite ready for the heavy lifting. And here's something no one tells you. If you don't prepare your liver properly before drinking turmeric water at night, you're putting it under extra pressure when it needs rest the most. 2. Your stomach acid levels can shift dramatically. Let's talk about your stomach for a second. At night, your stomach acid naturally drops a little bit. It sets part of the body's SIP's winding down process. But turmeric, it stimulates digestion. It wakes up the stomach, encouraging it to produce more acid. This can be wonderful if you're trying to digest a heavy meal, but if your stomach is empty and you're trying to fall asleep, it can backfire. Instead of gentle digestion, you might get burping or gas, a burning feeling creeping up your throat, acid reflux, strange dreams or night sweats, believe it or not, sometimes triggered by stomach discomfort. The lesson here? Drinking turmeric water the wrong way, or on an empty stomach, can mess with your digestion exactly when your body is trying to slow down and recover. 3. Your blood sugar can dip lower than expected. Turmeric has another superpower. It helps balance blood sugar naturally. Great during the day, but at night, if you already tend toward low blood sugar, if you sometimes feel shaky, lightheaded, or cranky when you skip a meal, turmeric water can sometimes tip you into hypoglycemia while you sleep. You might not even notice. Instead, you just wake up, feeling drained, irritable for no reason, with a pounding headache that won't go away. And because you're asleep, You never see the dip happen. You just feel the aftermath. This is one of the sneakiest risks of turmeric water at night, and almost nobody talks about it. 4. Turmeric can thin your blood slightly, good or bad. Now, turmeric has natural blood thinning properties. This can be a good thing for people with sticky, sluggish blood. It improves circulation, protects the heart. But it can also be a risky thing if you are already taking blood thinners, have low blood pressure, are prone to bruising easily. Mixing turmeric water into your nightly routine without understanding this could leave you feeling dizzy, lightheaded, or just off without knowing why. 5. The magic fix: how to drink turmeric water the right way at night. Here sips the good news. You don't have to give up turmeric water at night. You just have to use it wisely. Here sits the simple fix. Always add a tiny pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains a natural compound called piperine, which helps your body actually absorb the curcumin without overwhelming your liver. Drink turmeric water 30 to 60 minutes after a light snack, not on an empty stomach. This protects your digestion and prevents acid problems. Use warm, not hot, water. Warm water is gentler on your system at night, and it helps turmeric dissolve better. Start with a small amount of turmeric. Literally 1/4 teaspoon per glass is enough for most people. You can always build up slowly if you feel good. If you're on medication, especially blood thinners, talk to your doctor first. Imagine this. Instead of feeling bloated, restless, or heavy after drinking turmeric water at night, you fall asleep faster. You wake up feeling lighter, clearer, even a little brighter in your mind. Your joints feel less stiff in the morning. Your digestion improves. You feel like you finally unlocked a small, easy, nightly ritual that actually works for you, not against you. That's what happens when you drink turmeric water the right way. Small steps, big difference. But here sips the final warning. If you ignore these small signs, the bloating, the restlessness, the weird dreams, and you keep drinking turmeric water incorrectly, you might be setting yourself up for liver stress, digestive problems, or even metabolic issues without realizing it. Your body speaks in whispers first. Tonight, you've learned how to listen. Turmeric is powerful. It's a gift from nature. But even the best gifts need to be used wisely. Drinking turmeric water at night can transform your health, or it can quietly cause problems if you don't pay attention to the small details. Remember, always add a pinch of black pepper. Never drink it on an empty stomach. Use warm water, not boiling. Start small, go slow. Listen to your body. It will tell you everything you need to know. If you do this, turmeric water can become one of your best, simplest healing rituals before bed. Small sips, big healing. Subscribe for more life-changing health tips you won't hear anywhere else.